Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to improve Snapchat camera quality in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you have blurry camera on your Snapchat, so let's see how can you easily increase or improve your Snapchat camera quality. You must have to simply open your Snapchat app, and here just tap on your profile in the top left corner, then tap on this settings option, and here you have to scroll down and look for clear data option. Simply tap on it, and here you have to clear cache files. So sometimes it might be that your Snapchat app might be increasing or additional cache files, so you must have to clear all the cache files from here, then tap on this OK option. Once you have OK, your Snapchat app will be closed. You have to relaunch it, or it might be that your problem will be fixed, but if it doesn't, you have to go back and here open your app store. In App Store, you have to go for search and simply search for Snapchat. And here you have to make sure that there is no any update available. But if you have an update here, you must have to update your app. After updating your app, it might be that your problem will be fixed, your camera quality will be improved. But if it doesn't, you just have to go back, close all the tabs, and then open up your settings, and here go for general, and here go for iPhone storage. And here you have to make sure that you have a no iPhone storage, because sometimes it might be that your iPhone storage is almost full and your phone will not be able to take highly quality photos. So you must have to make sure that your iPhone has enough storage. And here you have to scroll down and look for Snapchat, tap on it, then tap on offload, and then tap on offload app. So after offloading app, you have to reinstall your Snapchat app, and after reinstalling, you can easily use your Snapchat with a better camera quality. So that's how you can easily improve Snapchat camera quality on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.